Today, we are going to be focusing on the 96 Chevy 2500 that we picked up for like $1,030 or $1,050 winning bid. Came out to about $1,300 out the door. And so far, I've actually used this truck a few times, and it's running and driving very well. In this video, we're going to focus on getting the paint taken care of. So we are about to take it down to my favorite spot, Maaco. We're going to go talk to Paul and see what he thinks. Personally, I was thinking about just putting a brand new paint job on it. But guys, I'm going to show you something right now. I'm not sure it needs a whole paint job. I guess this is where you guys can comment below and tell me what you think. The rest of the truck has beautiful paint. It's only this side. So do you think we could get away with just painting this side, not the whole truck? I don't see the whole truck needing paint. Look at this. In my opinion, the rest of the truck, well, hold on, what's going on over here? Oh, there's some kind of overspray all over this. Yeah, okay, that's weird. I didn't see that before. I guess I just didn't look hard enough, but there's some weird, I don't even think you can see that on camera, guys. I don't know, but there's, from here up is blue, and from here down is like some weird textured spray. So maybe we will go ahead and just get a fresh paint job on it. This thing, when it's done, should look brand spanking new. Now, we did clean it up for you guys. There was nothing of any interest that we found in it. Everything is in a garbage can. I got to take it and clean it out. As you can see, it's you know, it needs a good cleaning. But aside from that, the bed is empty. The bed is completely empty. And there's those fifth wheel, I don't know, what do you call these? Are these fifth wheel rails, or is that just like a fifth wheel type hitch thing that you hook it to? I don't know. I don't use a fifth wheel, obviously, but it's got it in case you want it. And here's a little closer look at what's going on with the paint. Someone put like primer over it. They were trying to do something weird, I don't know. And all this stupid sticker crap right here they tried to, like, this is ridiculous. But it is clean, guys. It's a very clean example of a truck. The seat was a little loose at first. I got it locked into place now. You don't have a, where's the damn, there you go. This is how you gotta get in, is through here. But I mean, look at this thing. Headliner is good. It's a good looking truck. I put a new battery in it yesterday, so it should fire up. Listen to that. Let's go see if it smokes. This is the first start of the day. We actually drove it around for a good part of the evening yesterday. Yeah, no smoke. No smoke at all. Tailgate works like it should. You know? This is a good truck, guys. This is a really, really good truck. And the AC, I know I've bragged about it before, but God, guys, the AC in this thing is just, it's great. Now, I do need to put a stereo in here. I'll probably do that. It's got the install kit and everything already in here. It's just missing, I said this was look how good this truck is, and the damn plastic starts falling off the interior. That's Chevrolet for you, man. That's Chevrolet. I got to do some more cleaning. We got some beer bottle caps here and there, and you know, just a few basic things to clean up. But really, I think she came out really good. Pop the hood for you guys real quick. Listen to how good this thing runs, guys. I mean, she's just purring like a kitten, man. Good old 5.7. Put a die-hard battery in it. That battery wasn't cheap either. So it literally runs and drives perfect. It really does. This thing is phenomenal. I really do enjoy driving it. It's so much different than the Ram 2500 that I got. The Ram is so big. It's tall. I mean, it's literally humongous. This is a small truck. Like, I drive this, and it's like, oh, cool, we're driving a small truck. I got to close this, too. It's got these pop-up windows right here, right? You got to remember to close those. All right, look at all the dirt coming out of this thing. I think it's time, guys. Let's get this bad boy down to Maaco. Let's find out what Paul says it's going to cost to get a fresh paint job on this and try to make this truck look new again. All right, we made it down here to Maaco. I left my GoPro, so we're using a different camera right now. We're using the iPhone, and hopefully you can see the difference that I'm talking about right here. Do you see where it's like spray painted? I didn't even notice this at first, but the whole, look at this. It's like this over the whole side. It's like someone started spray painting the bottom of it or something. Absolutely ridiculous. Anyway, we're going to run in here to Maaco, and I'm going to go get Paul. We're going to have him come out, take a look at it, and tell me what he thinks. Look how long this thing is, man. It's literally sticking out in the road. We're going to see what he thinks it's going to take to get a fresh paint job on this and make this thing look better. All right, guys, we're going to take one more look around because this is the last time you're going to see this truck looking like this. Paul just came out. He looked at it. He said, man, he said, it's not going to look perfect, but he said, I can make this thing look 1,000 times better. He'll make it look a whole lot better for $400. And I said, all right, have at it then. So $400, Paul's going to handle it. Look, guys, I'm telling you, Maaco's got you covered. Come over here. This is Maaco on the south side of Oklahoma City, right off of I-240 Service Road. Come check him out. Holler at Paul. Tell him Randy from AAR Auto Sales or Randy from Auto Auction Rebuilds sent you. Trust me, guys, they'll take care of you. Not sponsored content. I just love promoting good companies that provide good service. So, camera trick. Let's come back when it's done. And voila, like magic, there she is. What took 2 weeks, you guys got to have done in like 2 seconds. I'm kind of envious of you guys, to be honest with you. Kind of envious, a little bit jealous that things work so fast for you, but in the real world, I gotta sit here and wait. But that's okay. Maaco did a really good job, guys. They painted the whole truck, and they charged me, I believe it was $400. Let me double check that number real quick. Hold on. Let's see. How much did this come out to? It was it $400? $400. All right. Yeah. Okay. $400 to paint an entire truck. This is a 96 Chevy 2500 long bed with an extended cab, guys. This is a lot of truck, and they charged $400. You remember? Come on, guys. You remember? I know the truck's a little dirty. You can see it's definitely not clean right now. It's been sitting out, but you remember all of this was gray. It was like primered or spray painted. All of this was gray. Now it's got this beautiful, beautiful blue paint on it. Now, they did not go through and do any body work, obviously. They sanded it down, but they did not do any body work. So it's still going to have a few dings here and there that were there when, you know, we bought the truck. But for $400, they made this truck. Look at this. Look how, I mean, this is beautiful. And this is a gorgeous blue metallic paint, guys. Honestly, the paint looks better than everything else on the truck. The paint looks better than the trim. The paint looks better than everything else. It's gorgeous. She came out great. So we stole this truck. I feel like we got a great deal on it from the get-go at Copart as a theft recovery. It runs and drives absolutely perfect. We got to clean up the tires. I'll clean the tires, put a little tire shine on it, make it look good. We'll probably do that here in just a few minutes before we send her down the road. The interior needs a little bit of a cleaning. The bed is mostly cleaned out now. It's got the fifth wheel rails and everything in there already. Tinted windows, cold air conditioning. The dashboard isn't broken or falling apart. We got a very generous subscriber sent us a new stereo for this. So I got to actually go down to AR headquarters and pick up that stereo so we can put it in, and then I will give a big shout out to him, let you guys know who he was, because I honestly can't remember his name. But look at this, man. The brake light is the only light on the dash, and that's because we do have the e-brake set. Pop the hood. The windows work. Like I said, air conditioning, heat works. It's got tires that are like brand spanking new. Drive down the highway 60, 70 miles an hour with no issue at all. Brand new battery. Look at her. I mean, she is just purring like a kitten, man. What more do you want? Okay, so Maaco, thank you again, guys. And look, it's important to note that they don't give me a discount for making videos. Like, Maaco and I do not have any type of like a contractual agreement. We don't have a verbal agreement for that. There's no agreement at all. They just take care of me, and I love taking care of businesses and individuals for that matter that take care of me and help support the channel. So Maaco off of I-240 Service Road here in Oklahoma City, Southside Oklahoma City, guys. You're going to want to come down here, talk to Paul. Talk to Paul. Their number is 405-632-8838. All right, come holler at them. Now, I remember, guys, all Maacos are different. All right, all Maacos are different. All I can vouch for today, right now, is this Maaco right here off of 240 in Oklahoma City. This is the only one I can vouch for at this point. So come holler at Paul. Tell him Randy from AAR Auto Sales or Randy from Auto Auction Rebuilds on YouTube sent you, and he will take care of you guys. They got, I probably shouldn't even be telling you this, but they got paint jobs starting at 300 bucks. 300 bucks. Come down here, holler at Paul. He'll take care of you. All right, we're gonna get on the road, get this thing to the house because we gotta get these tires cleaned up, we gotta get the stereo installed, and we gotta get this thing down to Weird Beard, and then we're done with it. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen. Now, the gentleman that sent me the stereo to install here, I'm gonna give him a shout out in just a minute. I want to just say this. I really do appreciate you sent me free of charge, even shipping on your own dime. You sent me a stereo for this truck, but I decided not to use it. Not to worry, I'll use it in another one, but I wanted to say thank you anyway. I had this Kenwood Acceleron. This is it's a reasonably priced Kenwood. It's a KDC X502, Bluetooth, hands-free calling, all of that stuff. I have had this in the garage. I bought this for the Porsche long ago, and I just never used it. So this has been sitting in my garage probably for a year or so now. And you know what's crazy? I pulled the connectors out, and this radio plugged right in. I didn't have to splice any new wires. I didn't have to cut anything. This radio literally just plugged right in where it is. And just like that, she's got herself a new stereo, guys. She's looking good. Now, let's go give it a car wash and get this thing ready to go. All right, we made it back to the house. We've got it mostly cleaned up. She's looking pretty good, but sitting at the drive-thru, she started idling real rough. This is the thing about cars, guys. Let me tell you something. You better be ready for it, because this is what happens. Now you see she's smoking, she's choking, right? Can you see this? Look at that. I mean, not good. Not good. Check engine light came on, and I'm just like, you gotta be kidding me. We were sending this thing down to Weird Beard like tonight. Like right now, tonight, this was going down to Weird Beard. Now, I've reset the check engine light, and it's going to come back on. Here's the interior again. It's a little bit nicer. Let's see if the check engine lights come back on. Nope, it has not. But the trouble code that we had on our trusty Autel MaxiSys Elite is an upstream oxygen sensor, bank 2, sensor 1. It's not a big deal, guys. It is an oxygen sensor on the passenger side. Very first one, right up under there, easy to get to. It's gonna cost me 70 to 80 bucks to get that oxygen sensor and climb up under there and replace it. Probably won't do it on video because it's getting dark on us. And unfortunately, I am running out of time. So there she is, guys. I don't know, what do you think? I'm thinking we're gonna bring, boy, she is just choking on fuel. I should probably shut it off. I think I got a little bit more cleaning to do, but I think this truck will bring around $39.95, maybe $3,500 for Weird Beard. I don't know what he's gonna list it for. I'm just giving you a guess. Like actual retail price, I would guess $3,500 to $4,000, because this thing looks phenomenal. It does. I'm telling you guys, Maaco, at least here, does a great job. They've been taking care of me since day one. So big shout out again, and thank you to Maaco. And I guess that's gonna conclude the truck, man. We've got her pretty much cleaned up. I am gonna work on the interior a little bit more. I'm gonna wipe down the windshield. I'm gonna wipe down the dashboard. And that's probably going to be a wrap, aside from putting that O2 sensor in. But I can't do that for a while. The truck is hot as hell right now, and it's hot as hell outside. So I'm going to let it sit here. And in fact, we'll go ahead and just shut her off right now. I've already got an oxygen sensor on standby. at AutoZone, and I'll show you real quick. Just, I don't want you guys to think I'm going to send it down there without doing it right, man. Yeah, see right there? Okay, 51 bucks. Sorry, I thought it was 70 something. 51 bucks for a Bosch or Bosch, whatever. There she is. That's what we're going to go get. I'm going to leave this thing sitting here and let her cool off. Turn this off, take this in the house, and we'll get this done, guys. That's going to be a wrap for the video. Mainly the video was about getting it painted and making it look good. Guys, 400 bucks. 400 bucks. We'll have to figure out how much we've got invested in this, but I mean total, $400 plus whatever we paid for. I don't know. We probably don't have more than $1,500 in this truck, I would say. I would say 1,500 tops, and it really does run and drive great, except for I did verify the code. I checked the O2 sensor voltage on bank 2 sensor 1, and it was 0. And occasionally, when you'd really give it some throttle, it would jump up to 0.005. That's way below where it should be, guys. Way below. So that sensor's failed. No big deal. I'll get it taken care of. And, you know, Weird Beard's got himself a nice little truck. I guess that's going to be it. Ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate y'all watching the video. I hope the audio quality has gotten better. There's going to be a couple more Copart walkarounds this week, or maybe... yeah, there's two more. No, one more Copart. I don't remember, guys. I just got back from vacation like yesterday and everything, or the day before yesterday. Everything is still kind of up in the air for me. But we were definitely having some serious audio quality issues. And for the life of me, I can't tell you how much money I've spent on audio equipment. It's been a nightmare trying to get it figured out. I think we've got it figured out now. If the audio is working for you guys, if you guys are liking it, hit that thumbs up button, because it's taken me a lot of trial and error to finally get to the point where I feel like my audio quality is decent. If you enjoyed the video, please do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button. I think we got a great deal on the Chevy 2500. I really, really do. And I think Weird Beard's going to make himself a nice little bit of money on it. So hit that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I would truly appreciate it. You could follow me Facebook and Instagram, where you're going to see things usually about a week or so before you're ever going to see it on YouTube. Facebook and Instagram's auto auction rebuilds. With that, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to get out of here. Until next time, stay safe out there. I will catch you all very soon in the next one.